I am really happy with this Frameless Cork Canvas Bulletin Board by U Brands. It comes with the mounting kit, like the strip of paper that has measurements on the back, and it comes with the hooks. And in order to put this on the wall evenly, we went ahead and marked on the paper where the hooks go. And then we put the paper on the wall where we wanted to mount the board. We made sure everything was level by using a level. And then after that, you just nail the included hooks into the wall right where you've marked them on the installation strip. We only had to do this one time and it came out perfectly on the first try. Probably the easiest hanging of a corkboard that I have ever experienced, and it looks absolutely amazing. I love the sleekness of the frameless corkboard, and if you are looking for something similar, I would 100% recommend this one by U Brands.